It's time to wake up. The new day brings new opportunity. Opportunity for purpose. To stand for something greater than yourself. To cultivate new relationships. Built on a foundation of quality and integrity. We are proud to introduce our latest apparel collection. Printed in Denver, Colorado at Superior Inc. On sustainable garments made from recycled plastic, produced by Allmade. Printing just 300 garments, we save 12,000 gallons of water, 420 ounces of chemicals, 120 pounds of crude oil, 1,800 recycled plastic bottles. And most importantly, we are helping to provide living wage jobs where they are needed most. It's not about the product. It's about the purpose. Together, we can make it better.